So you're wondering how to open the emoji keyboard on your Mac. You're typing a note or an email and you want to add some emojis. It's really simple to do. I've got two methods for you today, the standard method and then the shortcut. So let's start out here. So you're typing away in your note and you want to add an emoji. Head up to the very top. You'll see edit here at the top. Go ahead and select that. And at the very bottom here, there's an option that says emojis and symbols. When you click on that, the emoji keyboard is going to pop up and you can actually move it around. And then you can scroll through here and look at all the emojis. So you can add whatever you like in here. And you can see those are showing up right in my typing here. So that's the first method, to go up to the top to the edit. Now the shortcut, and this is really quick, on your keyboard, hold down the control key, the command key, and hit the space bar, and it'll pop up as well. And it's really quick when you're typing along and you just want to access them. So again, control, command, and spacebar, and then you'll have access to them again. And really it's that simple to open the emoji keyboard on your Mac. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.